Alright you guys, so looking at the front side of your drill, this is where you have all your lights, knobs, and switches. So down here you have your power, which will light up of course when you turn on your drill. Right here you have your knob, and that's to turn the drill on as well as to control the speed. So you see, as soon as we turn it on, that green power light did come on. Right here you have your output, and that's where you will plug in your drill. Down here you have your charging light, which of course will light up when you are charging the device. And next to that we have our reverse and forward switch. So if you want your drill to go in reverse, you would just click the switch. And then if you want it to go forward, you would just click it to forward. On both sides of the drill they have this space here for the little clear piece that comes in the box, and that just holds your drill whenever you're not using it, which I think is a good idea. So you have one on this side as well as one on this side. On the back you have your input, and that is where you will plug in your charger to charge your drill. On the front side you have the Makartt logo. And on the back you have this silver clip, which you can clip onto your pants whenever you're on the go, which I think is a good idea. So this is just what it looks like. I love the fact that it is small and compact, and it's not huge, taking up a whole lot of space. It's not super heavy, it has a good weight to it. I love the fact that it's rechargeable and you could definitely take it on the go. One thing that I wish it did have was a light or something that can tell you the percentage of battery life that it has. But other than that, I really do like the look of this drill. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the handpiece, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. Okay you guys, so quickly I'm going to go over how you can remove your drill bits and how to put a new drill bit in. As you saw in the previous clip, there is an R and an S on this pink part of the drill. So the R is for the release and the S is for secure. So basically what you want to do is you want to take it and you want to twist it to the left. It's going to make like a little clicky noise. I don't know if you guys were able to hear that. And you'll be able to take out your drill bit. So I'm going to take out this bit here, and I have this bit down here, and we're just going to place this in. And then to secure it, all you're going to do is go in the opposite direction, and you're going to twist it to the right. And now your drill bit is secure and your drill is ready to use. It on this little unboxing and demo for this drill. I'm really in love with it. I love the feel of it. I love the grids that it has on the handpiece. It's used for great control in holding it. I feel like it performs well. As you can see, it gets up to a super fast speed, which you will not need at all, but I definitely think it performs well, especially for beginners and everybody like that. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave all your questions, comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more dream nails, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.